Look at him, how brave.
I mean, that girl's space. Space.
Yeah, I think we need to remember this. It's yours too?
Yeah.
Last time.
There's also an option of having something that goes around your neck.
The camera in your backpack.
Yeah, I mean, if it's not helping,
Get the sunset already.
let's hope that it is. So, yeah, left too. It's a bit wet on the extreme left.
Oh, you're a girl. It's got has 2 layers.
Yes.
I've never seen it. I didn't listen.
And that's how
That
it's
it cannot
prevented.
get damaged. The wind can swing.
Yes, exactly. Just means your husband is thinking about many things.
Especially about how easy it is.
In 2026. Still have to get used to writing 2026. Have you written somewhere 2026?
Yeah, my fish. 1,126. Every day has an index card where I take my notes. Check in the morning, I put in Monday, 29th, December, 25. That's it.
I go to the
Race around the petals.
2 people coming running. Seem to be professionally motivated.
They're going at a fast pace.
Yes, like those wild horse in central London. There's a Superman gathered there upstairs. You know that? I've only noticed it this year. Your tiny croissant is looking splendid this time. Légèrement Mon rivedele. There's a French song. To surf. It just crosses my mind, the song. That melody. Let's, well, after those guys, we'll just move left. Some other sentence that says
This would be a nice picture here.
You wanna go down here?
I want to take a picture.
Because I've got one walking up the. Sorry, guys. Coming soon. Anneke?
My hair is stuck in my umbrella. You want to go down?
Yeah. With your heels. With your heels.
I think it stopped raining.
You think? Or is it the windy place that makes it? It flushes the rain away. Yeah.
With an umbrella, you're not free. I don't know why they've not found a better system for that. They can fly to the moon, but they cannot figure out how to manage
Umbrellas.
a spin drive.
Wow.
Anyways,
The sunset we know is down to 1822.
we'll be at Serena.
Oh, maybe at the hotel.
There's going to be a lot of clouds, so the sunset will be less spectacular. Those are those Canary Islands. They're very noisy. Where did it go?
Down there. You.
Noisy birds.
think it's the wind that takes it